Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Chase Bank app. The Chase Bank app is a convenient and secure way to manage your Chase accounts from your mobile device. To get started, you will need to download the Chase Bank app from the App Store on your device. Once the app is downloaded, you will need to sign in with your Chase username and password. If you do not have a Chase username and password, you can create one by tapping on the Sign Up option. After signing in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view all of your Chase accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You can also view your account balances and transaction history. To pay a bill, tap on the Pay Bills option and select the account you want to pay from and the payee you want to pay. You can then enter the payment amount and the payment date. To transfer money, tap on the Transfer Money option and select the account you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to. You can then enter the transfer amount and the transfer date. The Chase Bank app also allows you to deposit checks remotely using the Deposit Checks option. To do this, you will need to take a picture of the front and back of the check and enter the check amount. In addition to these features, the Chase Bank app also allows you to find Chase branches and ATMs, view your credit score, and set up account alerts. To set up account alerts, tap on the Account Alerts option and select the account you want to set up alerts for. You can then choose the types of alerts you want to receive, such as low balance alerts or large transaction alerts. Overall, the Chase Bank app is a convenient and secure way to manage your Chase accounts from your mobile device. By following these steps and exploring the app's features, you can take control of your finances and stay on top of your accounts.